On April 15, 2023, officers received a report of a missing teen. Her father told dispatch she had left home that morning and never returned. She had left her phone behind and had no history of running away. Friends told her parents she had been communicating online with an adult male. As night fell, officers began searching the area. Just before midnight, an officer noticed a gray sedan struggling to make it up a hill and rolling backward into the roadway. He advised dispatch he was out with a disabled vehicle at that location.
This is the moment where routine police work shifts into high alert. A disabled car alone wouldn't mean much, but context is everything. Officers are actively searching for a missing juvenile, and suddenly they encounter a grown man who can't clearly explain who's in his vehicle. Watch how the officer's tone changes almost instantly. That's not aggression, it's escalation based on risk. When someone refuses to exit a vehicle and keeps repeating, "I didn't do nothing," that's a major behavioral red flag. Ask yourself, if you were innocent, would you be arguing or complying immediately?
Not knowing what he was about to uncover.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What's your last name, my man?
Macias.
Gotcha. Whose car is it?
This one
Yeah.
is Vilma.
Did it just die on you or something?
Yeah, they turn on now.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Go ahead and hop out of the car for me.
What?
Go ahead and hop out of the car.
I didn't do nothing.
Right there, I'll take more. Go ahead and hop out of the car.
It's a lie.
Okay. Hop out of the car.
Hey,
Move out of the car.
wake up.
Get out of the car.
I didn't do nothing.
Get out of the car.
I promise you I didn't
Might
do
be the
nothing.
female, I don't know. Get out of the car, man.
You gonna arrest me?
I'm not arresting you. Get out of the car.
Alright. It's gonna...
Might be the female in reference, I'm not sure. Get out of the car.
Okay. I mean...
Come back over here.
You like the other guy trying to ask him for help.
Come over here. I got you. Go in and sit on the bumper of my car. Don't dig around your waistband or anything.
Oh, no. I was just pulling my...
Okay, I got you.
Nothing.
Go ahead and sit on the bumper of my push bar. Who's the female in your car?
Yes. Oh, I even forgot.
Okay,
Name.
take a seat. Sit down. Perfect. Hang out right there.
Okay. Put my hand right.
Yep. Just keep him right there for me.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get to the gas station.
Okay, now I'll take it a little bit quicker.
Alright, and...
Okay, we'll figure out everything.
Hey,
You don't even know who she is.
what's your name?
It's okay. Don't even ask her. It's fine.
I mean,
You can put your hands on your knees. Right on your knees. Perfect. Just like that. Where are you coming from?
me?
Yeah.
I was up this hill again,
Okay.
and my car turned off, and I was pushing it, you know. I asked this guy to help me. The car went in his yard, and he was like threatening me, like he was gonna put his gun on me, and I'm like, bro, I'm just asking you like to help me.
He's complying on my bumper right now. There's a female in the car. Juvenile, doesn't even know her name. Might be our female. Alright, I don't doubt that you're not lying. I'm just gonna put you in handcuffs for a second until we figure out what's going on here, okay?
Under arrest, do not resist.
No, I'm not.
Stand up.
Can you check on her?
Looking for immoral. Hey, what's your name? Okay, so you know where body cameras are. It's her. Okay. K9 11, you can dupe these calls. This is going to be my missing juvenile.
This is the gut punch moment. Officers confirm the girl in the car is the missing 13-year-old, and she's clearly not okay. Notice how quickly the language changes from uncertainty to urgency. At this point, the investigation isn't about a traffic stop anymore. It's about safeguarding a child. The fact that she appears disoriented raises two immediate possibilities: drugs or coercion. Neither is good. And here's the key legal point. Once a juvenile is found in this condition, officers are obligated to treat this as a potential exploitation case, even before statements are finalized.
My partner's right next to you. She's a little out of it. Okay. Can I open this door? Okay. I'm Officer Fletcher. I just got done talking to your mom and dad, okay?
Yeah, what's going on?
They're a little bit worried about you. They just wanted to know where you're at. Are you okay? She's out of it, dude. Like, loopy. She's got a big-ass machete in here.
I swear, bro.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a second. Put your leg in.
Where are you taking my phone?
I'm putting it over here. He was trying to get up the hill, and it like stalled out, and it rolled back, and I was like, what the heck? and he's acting all shady as I'm contacting him. Didn't tell me the same name as the registered owner. And I look over and I see her legs in the passenger seat, reclined all the way back with a jacket over her face. And I'm like, what? So I get my gun out and I'm like, all right, step it the out of the car right now. Because he's like, the first thing he says is, what? No, she's alive, bro. And like, pulls the jacket away from over her head. I'm like, what the fuck?
She's like out of it, like on drugs or drugged, one of the two. This is Officer Lind. I'm gonna follow behind you guys, okay?
Yeah. What are you gonna go through on my phone?
Your parents are probably gonna go through some of your stuff because, like I said, I would rather you just be upfront with me so I can try to like mitigate some of it, but they're under the impression that you went to go meet up with some older dude, and they're worried, and I'm worried, that some older dude, and maybe that's just a coincidence, is going to take advantage of you, or hurt you, or who God knows what. You okay? You seem out of it. Did you smoke pot today? Yeah, I'm not here to get you in trouble. I just want to know like why you seem so kind of dazed. Did you get smoked out? Did you take an edible? No? Okay. You didn't eat or drink anything from anybody? This guy didn't give you anything to eat or drink?
Can we have fire come take a look at our juvenile's vitals, please?
Did he actually give you a statement of what?
I haven't. I mean, I'm waiting for you guys. I didn't want to ask him too much, but he's giving me some statements. I'll have to replay my body cam. I'm mainly waiting for you watching him.
Sounds good.
But
she basically said that she did go to the park today, which is what Mom and Dad said. She said she met up with Jezbe or something, a 12-year-old from her school, or she just saw him at the park and they hung out for a while. And then she went to the bus stop because she was hungry, so she was going to catch the bus, but she didn't have money. But then she saw this dude, who she said at first she doesn't know, but then she said, well, I think it's maybe the brother of somebody I go to school with, because his car looks familiar. So she's kind of being weird there. And then she said that she came and got into his car asking him for a ride home, and he said sure, and he apparently put her address in his phone for GPS. And at first she said she didn't like drink or eat anything, but then she finally, just before I put her in the car, said that he did actually give her water when she got into that car.
This is where the case takes its darkest turn. Officers openly acknowledge what everyone watching is thinking. Something doesn't add up. A 13-year-old doesn't just fall asleep under a stranger's jacket in a car. The uncertainty around whether she was drugged or voluntarily used substances doesn't remove responsibility from the adult involved. Legally, minors cannot consent. Period. Even if she initiated contact, even if she asked for the ride, even if she kissed him first. That's not how the law works. Do you think the suspect truly understood the gravity of that? Or was he willfully ignoring it?
Something's not right. She's just like looking at me, and,
laying there with the jacket over
and she
her
said that she has been sleeping, which probably got drugged or used drugs, one of the two.
Yeah,
Hey, Liam, how old is the girl?
13.
13. How old's the guy again?
He's born in 87, so
He's
35.
Okay, I'm Officer Flesher, okay? My body cam's going. We're being audio and video recorded. I'm going to read something to you because you're in handcuffs, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not saying you're going to jail. I have to read this to you because you're in handcuffs.
Oh, okay. But, I mean, for example, if I say no, what's going to happen? Or if I say yes?
It's not the question.
You don't have to say yes. I'm just trying to get you to listen to what I'm saying and to inform me if you understand it or not.
I'm going to keep quiet.
Hold on. Levi, he said yes to Miranda. He's trying to talk to me, but we don't have service here, so language line can't hear me.
Yeah, that's why I didn't have to talk to Heather. So you're up to speed. What's going on? Heather's spooling up a team. They're going to come in. They need to take him to our station, put in a holding cell. Don't allow him to wash his hands. They're going to.
This is an incredibly important procedural moment. Officers are laser-focused on preserving evidence. Notice the repeated instruction not to let him wash his hands. That's not harassment. That's forensic preservation. DNA can disappear fast. Also pay attention to how Miranda rights are handled carefully, especially with a language barrier. Police are walking a legal tightrope here. Gather facts, protect rights, and avoid contaminating evidence. This is textbook investigative protocol when potential sexual misconduct is on the table, even before charges are finalized.
Come in and do a full suspect rape exam. Okay. So, we need him to go down there. Whose car is he in?
Mine.
Yours. Do you mind transporting him? I'll deal with following this.
I'd like to go talk to family and get the electronics.
You two go to the family's house.
Okay.
put in a holding cell. Do not let him wash his hands, even if you have to bullshit that our plumbing's down, whatever. If he asks for that, do not let him wash his hands.
Officers transported him to the station for further questioning.
Okay, Rogelio. Like I said, Detective Wilson, Kent Police. You can leave if you want, but I want to read you your rights, just so you know your rights. So, and I know that you speak Spanish, and so if there's ever any confusion about what I say, just let me know. We've got a guy who can speak Spanish better than I can, or we can use a translator on the phone, okay? What happened today? Can you kind of tell me about your day, like how all this stuff started?
I was playing basketball and this girl came where I was and told me like to give her a ride, whatever, and I was like, yeah. I'm like, you sure? Like, he's like, yeah. So I was driving with her, and she was driving with me, and I don't know, she was saying that she was gonna get in trouble or something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Then she didn't want her to get off my car, man.
Yeah.
Like I don't steal none of that shit. Probably I had a machete. Probably the officers think bad, you know.
Yeah.
And especially because she was so, I don't know. I didn't even see her when she put blankets on top. I don't know. She just covered herself, and probably with the officer seen her, you know, and right away pulled the gun, and I was like, she's alive. Like she's not there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't hurt people, no,
Yeah.
nothing like that. So we was driving all day. I mean, I tell me where you stay, like to drop you off, you know. She didn't want to leave, and I was like, okay.
Did you and this girl, did you guys ever touch each other?
Not really.
No. Did you guys ever kiss?
Yeah.
This interrogation is full of subtle but critical inconsistencies. The suspect repeatedly minimizes contact while simultaneously admitting to kissing a minor. That alone is legally significant. Watch how officers circle back to details, hands, timing, locations. This isn't random questioning. It's pattern verification. When someone says nothing happened, but keeps adding new details, investigators take note. And here's the hard truth. Even if no further physical contact occurred, the age gap alone creates criminal exposure. Do you believe his version of events, or do the details raise more questions than answers?
Yeah.
She kissed me.
She kissed you? When did she kiss you?
And my lips.
When? Quando?
Oh, when I woke up, when I took a nap, she was like, came here and she was kissing me, and I was like no, there's a cop coming. I just said it like that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even have nothing to eat.
Yeah.
I was saying her like, you can go to my place. I mean, I'm not alone.
Mm-hmm.
And she didn't say nothing. I have to go home. Like, buddy.
So when she kissed you, what did you do?
I don't know. It was awkward. I was just went like, it was, man.
And where did you kiss? Both on the lips?
Just the lips.
Okay.
And
How long do you guys think you kissed?
I was not into it. Like,
Yeah. When you guys were kissing, were you touching any part of her body with your hands? No. How about, was she touching any part of your body with her hands? No.
no.
Not even just like a hand on the arm or shoulder?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. What were your hands doing?
And the door like that.
Okay.
Cause she pulled me down, you know, and trying to do a hip or whatever.
On your neck?
Yeah, but I don't,
Where? Let's see.
Oh, I don't have it. Like
She didn't.
I don't like hippie.
So what happened after the kiss?
I didn't even touch for private, nothing like that.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Okay.
I don't know if she say it to you guys, whatever, but I promise I didn't.
Do you think she would tell us something like that?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm in my mind that you guys had me over here and everything. Probably think that I was bad, you know, like, because
We don't know. That's why we want to talk.
That's what I'm telling. That's all that happened.
Mhm.
Like, I didn't touch her.
Okay. Well, what happened after the kiss?
I drive.
Okay. So, Rogelio, this is really important.
Great.
And I want to ask you this, and I want you to tell me the truth, okay?
Yeah.
Because we will go and check. Did you take her to any motels?
No.
Did you stop at any motels and try to get a room?
No. I promise
No.
you that.
Okay.
I didn't. The condos that I have,
Mm-hmm.
it was not. Don't think that I bought them like with her. I
Okay.
didn't.
What are they for?
That condom one, they was like those the ones that you put in the light and a fucking a light up. You know, I don't know how they call that shit.
Okay.
Like I don't know. It was new. My friend, she gave me the condom.
A friend gave
Yeah.
you those condoms?
Yeah, no, that one.
Okay.
The other ones I grabbed them and the smoke shot is they been a while that I grabbed them.
Okay. Well, what do you need the condoms for?
Because I was with my friend.
It sounds like you were going to maybe have sex with somebody else.
No, well, that was like before. That was like 3 days ago. You know.
Okay.
When,
So like we do tests, right?
Yeah.
We do DNA tests and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And they can do two things. They can prove that something did happen, but they can also prove that something didn't happen. What I want to know is I want to find out what happened.
no, nothing happened.
Would you be willing to let me take a sample of your DNA? It's like a Q-tip that we put in your mouth, and we just take a sample of your spit.
That's gonna detect her saliva?
No,
Or
it's
what?
just going to give us a sample of your saliva.
I mean, yeah, but what do you mean, like?
Like it would help prove that your saliva is not on her, right?
Oh, on her body, you mean?
Yeah. Is that something you would let me do? Is take a sample of yours?
I mean, yeah, I mean,
Okay. We'll go get those samples ready here pretty soon, and I'll get you a form, okay? Because you guys were good together for a long time. Didn't do nothing. Well, you kissed.
yeah, I mean,
Right.
that's about it. I don't.
And it sounds like she at least touched you when she grabbed you to kiss you, right? And did she smoke her marijuana in the car? Yeah. Did you smoke any clear in the car when you were with her?
Yeah.
When's the last time you smoked?
Before she went in the car.
Okay.
Like, you know,
Did she ever
Well-
ask you for any of your clear?
No,
Did she smoke any of your clear?
probably.
Okay. I mean,
I
did you
think she
give
probably
her? Did you
did.
give her any of your clear?
No, like I didn't give her my clear.
Oh, you didn't.
No,
Where's-
I don't sell. Like I had it with me. I don't know. I think they took it. Think it was in the pocket. I buy a little bit and I smoke. You know, like
Okay.
a 20. That's it.
Okay.
I don't sell. I don't.
All right, Rogelio, is
I don't-
everything you just said true to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah,
Okay.
on my that memory is there.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Okay.
I didn't pull nothing on the girls. I didn't. No, yo nunca la manoseé.
Okay.
The man was charged with communicating with a minor for immoral purposes, a gross misdemeanor. We were unable to locate information on his exact sentencing in this case. However, that offense carries a maximum penalty of up to 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. A conviction can also include.
In the end, this case landed where evidence, not emotion, could support it. The suspect was charged with communicating with a minor for immoral purposes, a gross misdemeanor carrying serious consequences, including jail time, fines, probation, and long-term restrictions involving minors. Forensic testing did not support more severe charges, underscoring a crucial legal principle. Suspicion alone isn't enough. Proof matters. But the outcome doesn't erase the danger of the situation or the irreversible trauma risk involved. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police breakdowns. Your engagement keeps these conversations going, and these stories seen.
Probation, mandatory counseling, and court-ordered restrictions on contact with minors. Forensic testing did not indicate additional physical misconduct, and more serious charges were not supported.